Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a killer 1973 Plymouth Duster. Great car, guys. Love this color combination. It really pops. It's factory Basin blue, or as a lot of people refer to it, petty blue. It's got the white 340 striping. It is a matching number 340 car with a factory white interior. Neat car. I bought it from a great couple out of South Carolina. Car has had a 10-year-old body up restoration. I think it's like right around 5,000 miles on the car since it's been done. But neat car. Killer paint. As you can see, hopefully it comes out right in the video. Paint just jumps off this car. Really slick. And a fun little car to drive. Great look, not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. Good, solid, straight body. And I love this color combo. Love the white interior with that blue. I think the car just pops. When you see it coming down the road, man, this car just jumps out at you. Rear deck spoiler is supposed to be factory as well. Matter of fact, we've got a copy. Somehow I guess the original broadcast sheets got lost, but he does have a copy of it. Mark there in the stripe, and we got a couple of little stone pecks there. I'm actually going to order a paint pen for this car as well. How nice and straight that car is down the sides. Factory rallies, Cooper Cobras all the way around it. Looks like they've replaced both bumpers. Car's got great sound. Really hits the road good. Another touch-up mark there. Good, solid, straight South Carolina car. Factory rallies. Dual chrome mirrors. Car does have front disc brakes. Again, matching numbers 340 car. Now they've upgraded it. It's got the MSD fuel injection. So the car just turn the key, fires right up. Automatic trans. You can see it's got the stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Power steering. Again, power front disc brakes. They've upgraded it to electronic ignition. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Air. Oh, I'm sorry. I almost forgot. Yeah, it's got air conditioning. Fender tag. Just a really cool car. Somebody's going to have a blast with this thing. Bunch of new stuff, guys. Make sure you're watching that website. Keeping track of our social media. YouTube page, a couple little blemishes right here. Bunch of cars coming, so hopefully we got about 6 or 8 cars here in the next couple of days we're going to advertise. Looks like the mirrors are new. Door handles look good. Door tag. If I can see the original paint underneath the door tag, so that's probably the original tag. I love the white interior with that blue. It just jumps out. Door seams are nice and clean. Again, bucket seats, center console. They have put an aftermarket dash in it. Oh, I'm sorry, 2,600 miles. I'm sorry, I misspoke. Since it's been done. Aftermarket Retrosounds radio. It's got the inside hood release. Dual exhaust, no big gear, factory rear axle, nothing crazy. He's collected a bunch of parts, that all goes with it. Factory jack with a spare is in this car. Car cover, fender cover, that stuff all goes with the car. Again, copy of the broadcast sheet. This looks like the Certicard sheet for it. Again, it's all body color in here. You can still see the, what do you call it? The insulation still on the corners. And all this stuff just goes with it. Really good car, man. Like I say, it runs out great. Clean underneath. As always, there's always multiple photos of the cars that we have on the bottom of the cars on our website. We are really stressing to get people to come to our website at southernmotors.com. If you don't see it at southernmotors.com, it very well may not be a Southern Motors car, somebody posing. And again, best way to communicate with us, pick up the phone, 248-620-3355. I know email's cool and a lot of people like it, but with the way the internet is and the scams that are rolling out there right now, I prefer the phone. Get people on the phone and talk to them. Yeah, these mirrors are new. Air on it, rose gold. Belt's pretty good. That's just a good car right there. Like I say, I drove it a little bit down there. Did good in traffic. I mean, really just a good car. See, the gauges are all functional. Tack works. Oh, you know what? I think this car does have 5,000 miles on it. I think he said they replaced that dash is what it was. So even though it's showing 2,600, I think he said it's got about 5,000 miles on it. Got one backup bulb out. I'll check that. Good sound. That's just a killer little car. Somebody's going to have a blast with this thing. Radio works, blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Cool car. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep track of this is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.